Ready?
What?
It was a joke. Drew, should we check out this fireworks tent? Ooh, it says buy one, get 3 free. That's probably a trick. See any good stuff? Where were those things you wanted, Drew? Oh, here's a basket. Get a basket. Do you want to get a basket, Jess?
Yeah.
Let's get some kid stuff. Okay, we need some snakes. One for Drew, one for Jesse. Okay. We need some poppers. Get some of these poppers.
3,
1, 2.
1, 2.
You can come over here. You want sparklers?
Yeah.
Drew, what do you want? Where's those tanks you wanted? Come on, I think they're over here.
I want this one.
You want one of those?
Hey, the tanker.
Let me see, Drew.
I want the tanker.
Got some party poppers. We need some sparklers.
One for Jesse, one for me.
Look, what else right here? Here's some smoke balls.
Let's do smoke balls. We only need one because these are a lot.
Did Drew get some tanks?
Yeah.
We gotta get some sparklers.
Where's some sparklers?
Here's some,
Can we get these?
the dirty dogs.
Yeah. Put them in the basket, Drew.
Jesse, here's a little kit.
Huh?
Here's a kit.
Let's have one of these. Can we have these, Mommy?
Sure.
We got so many things. What about let's do big ones?
Big ones?
Yeah. Yeah, I want those.
There's some spinners. What about this lamp?
What are those? What lamp?
Oh, Drew, look at that sword over there.
Oh. Is this a fireworks sword? Look at Mommy, look at they can do air balloons. I want this. Yeah.
You got a sword?
Let's go look.
It's a parachute. It's a,
Mommy, let's get those rockets.
hmm?
What are those rockets?
Oh, we need some morning glories.
What's morning glory? What is morning glory? Two, Mommy.
No, these big ones right here.
2 for me and Jesse. Just one big one. Just one.
Put them in the basket.
Those ones were for me and Jesse, the little one. Let's do this too. We're getting so many.
You want these big morning glories? Get a big pack of these.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. These. Why these called, Mommy?
Firecrackers?
For you.
Jesse, I'll hold it, honey.
Okay. We should get these. We're getting so many. Let's go over there somewhere.
Grab 3 boxes of those. Or grab 4 boxes of those. Let's go over here, guys.
Okay.
Excuse me. Sorry. Do you want something from here?
Do we need some of this, you said?
Those are missiles.
Did you say these?
I don't know about that. Let's look over here. You want some of this stuff?
It's heavy.
It looks pretty full.
Let's get some more.
More?
Let's get these. Let's get just one, 2 little ones for me and Jesse. Oh, that's heavy.
Too heavy?
Yeah. Oh.
Jay will carry it.
Is it heavy?
What else they got? Some big stuff.
These are for me and Jesse. Let's get some diamonds.
Diamonds?
Let's get some dynamite. Dynamite.
Dynamite?
Yeah.
What's dynamite?
Dynamite. Come over here. We should get these. Let's get these. Guys, look at this. Is a big giant bottle. Look at Let's see. Look at this one's mine. This one's mine.
The guns?
Look at these things.
Ooh, look at this. It says Killer Kong.
Huh?
Killer Kong. It's King Kong.
Here, look at this, Jay.
You don't even know what that stuff is. You're just putting junk in the basket. Oh, what about these happy faces?
Yeah, happy faces.
Those are a hit.
They're awesome?
Yeah.
Okay, cool. Why don't you just hold it? Don't put it in the basket. Oh, Redneck Riot. What do you think about that?
Mommy, should we get these?
Hi. Okay, we're going to do our smoke bombs. Yeah, these are the white ones right here. They're not going to do anything. It's just smoking. Come here, Jesse and Drew.
Come on, Drew. You don't want to get burned. You want me
Here, I'll...
to get fired?
Oh. Did it burn you? Here.
I'm scared of this. Come here, Drew. This is not going to burn you because you're just right here.
Just do the big color ones.
Yeah.
These ones?
Yeah.
I'm scared.
Ooh, cool.
Woo!
Here, Drew.
Purple!
Jay will light that for you. Stick it over there for Jay will light it.
Okay. Stick it right here.
No. Well, let Jay do the smoke bombs first.
Whoa, I'm getting my mommy. I'm getting my here. Whoa, whoa.
Purple one. Okay, Jay, do the yellow
Go
one.
up in the air. Oh, purple! Purple. Let me get some.
Don't touch it, Drew. Danger.
Back up.
Back up, Drew. Back up.
Drew.
It's in the blue. It's in the blue. One, two, blue. One, two, blue. Everyone's doing awesome fireworks.
Here comes the yellow. James, will you light their sparklers?
Yellow. Whoa.
Cool. Jesse and Drew.
Both
Jesse.
of them are burned. Oh, look.
Okay, these are long ones, so be careful. Here, Jesse, go. Here's your giant morning glories. Oh, Drew, you can't swing that around. Back up, Drew.
I'm scared.
Don't be scared.
It's gonna burn
No,
me.
just hold on to it. It's not going to burn you. There's a big giant stick.
Will it burn me?
No. Okay, Drew, come do yours.
They're not burning.
Hmm.
They're burning.
Here, hold it up. Stop moving it, Drew.
Morning glory.
Okay, Jesse, your turn. Stop moving it.
Back up. Back
I
up.
can't
Back
stop
up.
moving
Back
it.
up. Back up.
Jay, will you? Don't do that, Drew. Jay, will you hold hers? Awesome. Will you get the snakes out of the bag, Jay? Stop, Drew. It's not how you play. It's going to start shooting out in a minute, so just hold.
It's gonna start shooting.
Mm-hmm. Watch where you're going, you two.
Don't do him like that. I smell smoke. This thing is down. Yeah. Yeah.
Here's our big giant snake.
A big snake.
It isn't working.
A big giant snake.
Well, use the lighter. Nothing's going to happen.
Is this a real snake? I'm scared.
It's not working. Here, where's that?
Give me the lighter.
Where's the paper?
Look at my tablet. Big snake. Let me hold it.
No.
There's 2 snakes, Drew! Ew! I'm scared of snakes.
Ooh, awesome.
Is that a real snake? Yeah.
What do you think?
Come on,
It's like a giant snake.
Snake's dying. Are the snakes on fire? They're burnt. Let's do this